Welcome to Decor Catalog. Welcome to Decor Catalog. In today's video, we are taking you on a detailed tour of modern homes, complete interior and exterior design. If you are looking for a house elevation ideas, entrance decor, living space designs, stylish bedrooms, walk-in closets, luxurious washroom, balcony and terrace inspiration, rooftop setups and beautifully designed front yard and backyard landscape, this video is for you. Let's explore every element of this house one by one. A grand entrance sets the tone for the rest of the house. This home features modern main entrance door, a high quality metal door with a sleek, elegant finish, spacious and stylish living area, well organized seating for a cozy yet luxurious ambience, neutral and warm color tone, soft palettes, earthy shades or wall entrance wall for visual balance, smart lighting design, chandelier recessed lights and pendant lamps for a layered lighting effects. Statement decor pieces, artistic frames, decorative mirrors, and plush rugs complete the look. A beautifully crafted staircase acts as a focal point in the home. Each bedroom is designed with a decent color scheme and style, ensuring comfort and elegance. Master bedroom light color theme, soft pastel shades or neutral tones for a relaxing and airy feel. Minimalistic furniture with elegant wooden or upholstered finishes. Large window for abundant natural light, a cozy king size bed, and stylish bedside lighting with dressing table. Second bedroom, modern black themed room, bold and dramatic black wall for ancient for a contemporary touch. Dark wooden or metallic furniture to match the aesthetic. Warm lighting to balance the dark tones. Luxury elements like velvet cushions and high gloss surfaces. It has also sofa designs and attached bathroom. Third bedroom, girls friendly color theme. Soft pink, lavender, or pastel blues for a charming and cozy ambience. Decorative elements like fairy lights and floral wallpapers. A functional study area with a stylish desk and bookshelves. Elegant curtains, cozy rugs, and personalized decor with a beautiful dressing table. Fourth bedroom, another black theme room, a modern sophisticated black color scheme contrasting white or gold accents for a high-end look, smart lighting solutions to create depth and warmth, comfortable furniture with built-in storage solutions. Each bedroom features a walk-in closet and an attached washroom, adding convenience and luxury. Every bedroom includes a spacious walk-in closet and an in-suite washroom featuring organized storage spaces with shelves, hanging sections, and drawers. Modern washroom fittings, high-end fixtures, stylish tiles, and aesthetic lighting. Luxury venti setups, well-lit mirrors, elegant sinks, and storage cabinets. Outdoor spaces enhance the home's overall appeal. This house includes a small yet cozy balcony attached to a bedroom, ideal for private relaxation. A large terrace designed for outdoor gatherings, evening coffee, or lounging. Comfortable seating, potted plants, and ambient lighting for a stylish look. The rooftop space is designed as a private outdoor retreat, featuring comfortable lawn seating for relaxation and socializing, greenery with potted plants or vertical gardens for a refreshing touch, mood lighting to create a warm and cozy ambience at night, entertainment features like a barbecue setup, pergola, or outdoor mini bar. A well-designed backyard adds relaxation and entertainment value to the home. This backyard features a spacious lawn perfect for family gathering, kids play, or outdoor picnics. Garden beds and flower patches adding beauty and a refreshing atmosphere. Outdoor seating and a fire pit ideal for cozy evening and social events. A small vegetable garden encouraging sustainability and fresh homegrown produce. A stylish pergola or gazebo provides shade and a beautiful focal point. This video provides a complete home decor and design guide covering both interior and exterior elements. Whether you are planning a new home, renovating your space, or looking for inspiration, this tour offers valuable ideas for modern home, elevation and facade designs, stylish entrance and living area decor, unique bathroom themes with walk-in closets, luxurious washroom with high-end fittings, balcony, terrace, and rooftop design inspiration, beautiful front yard and backyard landscaping ideas. Watch now and get inspired to design your dream home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Catalog for more home decor and design ideas. Thank you.